We've made the first stitch. Now we need to tighten it to fit the needle size. And now I'll show you how to cast on stitches onto the needles. Grab the yarn here, and pull it tight like this. Let's take a closer look, slowly. Grab the yarn. Here, and pull it tight. Look at how the fingers are positioned. And how we grab the yarn. Now let's watch it even slower. This is how the fingers are positioned. And this is how we start catching the yarn with the needle. From one finger, then the other finger. Insert the needle into the loop. And tighten the stitch.